The project shown in this video can be found in the textbook Technical Drawing 101 with AutoCAD, available from SDC Publications. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the scale command to make this circle larger or smaller. The scale command is located on the Modify toolbar. It's this icon here. You can also find it here on the Modify panel of the ribbon. And so I'm just going to go ahead and select the scale command and try it again. There we go. And I'm prompted to select object, so I'm going to pick the circle and press enter. Now the next thing I'm prompted for is to specify a base point, so I'm going to pick this point right here in the center of the circle. And what that means is that the scaling is going to happen around that point right there. Okay, now I'm being prompted right now to specify a scale factor, and I'm going to type 2 for my scale factor and press enter. So what happens is the circle that I originally had here has been scaled by a factor of 2. So I'm going to put a dimension on this circle so we can see what the size is. The diameter of that circle is 2.00. Now I'm going to do an undo, and we're going to take it back to where it was originally. So let me use the diameter dimension again, and you can see that I'm starting with a circle that has a diameter of 1.00. So let's select the scale command again, and we're prompted to select object. So I'm going to pick the circle, and AutoCAD keeps me into the select objects mode because it thinks I might want to scale some other entities, but since I don't have anything else to scale, I'm just going to press enter. At that point, I'm asked to specify a base point. I'm going to select the center of this circle, and now it wants to know the scale factor. So I'm starting with a 1-inch circle, so if I type 2 for my scale factor, the circle grows to be 2 inches. If I scale this circle by 2, so I'm going to pick the circle, press enter, select the center point, type 2, it's going to grow to be 4 inches. If I scale this circle, pick it, press enter, specify my base point. Let's say I go 0.25, which would make it 1/4 the size it is now. It returns back to a 1-inch circle. Now this command will work on any feature that you draw or any entity that you draw. For example, if you have a rectangle and you want to scale it, you select it, press enter, and it's not as clear where I'm going to pick this time because I don't have a center to snap to, but if I pick this point here on the corner, the scaling will happen away from that point that I just chose. So I'm going to type 2 for my scale factor, and it makes my rectangle twice the size it was, but this corner stays at the same place and the scaling occurs away from the base point that I chose.